Alright, we holler at Simba later, y'all. Alright. She coming back Sunday, y'all. Make another full pass. Full pass. At Yello Belly. Got a full pass. Okay, got all of them standing at the fence like they waiting to see something. Hey, standing at the fence, drinking a beer. Hey, look out, look out. You ready, man? Yeah, he ready to do something, y'all. He ready to do something. Yeah. Looking for man? Okay. Okay. Hey, man, he looking for you. He looking for you. I'm just letting him know. I done called him for you. I done called him for you. Nah, I ain't see it. What?
Yeah, he done both some of that ass.
Oh, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to see something. Look out. Can we see the car you running? Yeah. I don't even see where the car run. You can check it out on my I'm gonna get her on my podcast, nigga. She gonna be in there coming up soon. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her. Podcast coming soon. Okay, they telling them to scoot up. Look out, show the slip. Oh, okay. Oh, dangerous motherfucker. Come on. Come on. Yeah, he gonna be hurt. Excuse me. What's up with it, man?
You can't say hi.
Hey, how you doing? Hey! Look out.
You got the video from last round? When you raced?
I think so, yeah.
I'm gonna look it up.
Bet. Let me see what this. Yeah, a little stroke, a smile block. Ooh. Little stroke, a smile. Rapid transit is about to go down. I need it. There's one in the car. Oh well. Her give it. Well, shit, it could charge 3 phones at one time, but shit, you ain't gonna get no fast charge. Cause I've been having it on here. It just been keeping it at the same. All my people on TikTok, head over to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, she got Instagram. Her Instagram is Simba, Big Simba. I had it on her earlier. How you doing today? You all right? That's good. Okay. They say that truck gonna do something.
Yeah.
Betty don't do nothing to get this.
I didn't like this burnout over here.
You ain't like this burnout?
No. It didn't look like that right tire was spinning at all.
But it's good. Right lane for the win. I can't give you a wrench on while I'm on live, but Kangas, you got one. I don't even know. I think I need my I need to do it on my other phone, on my Samsung. for it to work. All my TikTokers, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. We got 646 people watching. Y'all hit the like button. Half of y'all ain't hit the like button, and I know it's a whole new set of people. Let's go and hit that like button and tell YouTube to send some more people this way. That's how YouTube get notified to like when they see all y'all hitting that like button, that make YouTube think something going on, which it is. You know, Look Out Racing is on live. (214) 514 9545.
She's a trackside.
Make sure y'all hitting that like, share button. Some. Well, he was loving that burnout. Okay, West Cockton sent the taco money. Taco money coming. I'm gonna go get me some quesadillas. Tell them well done on there. Ooh wee. Yeah, 2 quesadillas with some corn. I'm gonna be happy.